Hi everyone! My name is Amy, and in this video, I'll show you how to add the Poppers Flipbook widget to your Weebly website. Flipbooks are a great way to present documents and content in an interactive, page-turning format, making the experience feel more engaging and realistic for visitors. So, let's get started. First, go to your Popper dashboard. Once you're there, click on Widgets from the sidebar and then click Create New Widget. Then search for Flipbook in the widget library. Open it and then choose a layout. After that, the widget editor will open, with the preview on the right side and the settings on the left side. Here you'll see two ways to create a flipbook. The first is using PDF, and the second is creating it manually. If you want to add content manually, click Add Page. You can add an image, title, and content on each page, and continue editing each page the same way. If you choose the PDF method, just upload your PDF file and it will automatically render inside the flipbook. Next, go to the Templates tab, where you can select different templates. In the Design tab, you can change the background, primary color, and accent color. Then, in Physics and Texture, you can adjust the paper texture, flip speed, and dynamics. Once you're happy with the customization, click Publish Widget. After publishing, copy the code and go to your Blogger layout editor. Inside the editor, click on Add a Gadget in the sidebar and add HTML/JavaScript. Now give a title and then paste the installation code in the content. After that, save your changes. Once your website is live, refresh the page and your widget will appear successfully. That's it for this video. I'll see you in the next one.